So I bought another Z. I'm just kidding. I didn't buy another Z. I didn't say I wasn't looking for another one though. So if it's not mine, then whose is it? Enter my buddy Jason. We've been friends for about the past 6 years now. He was actually in the process of looking for a Z when we first met. We were talking on a completely unrelated topic, and then we got into the conversation of cars and Datsuns and Z cars, and we've been bouncing ideas off each other ever since. So this is his 280Z project that we're going to be working on today, swapping a 5-speed into, and he's actually made some appearances on some previous episodes. He likes the cameo performance, and one of the viewers actually found that clip and sent it to me, so I thought that was pretty hilarious. But we're going to be putting in a 5-speed into his today. He's tired of the 4-speed, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get busy. Now that my buddies come over here and made an absolute mess of the floor with putting oil everywhere and spilling it all over the place, I have my other buddies to thank at Super Clean to help me clean it up. This is their oil absorbent, and it's made a believer out of me, I gotta be honest. They sent this back a few weeks ago for me to check out and try, and I was just an old kitty litter guy before this stuff arrived. So I've completely stopped using kitty litter because this stuff works so much better. It's a much more compact canister, and it's much more absorbent. I don't have to carry the 30 to 50 pound bags anywhere and then sprinkle that all over the floor and wait overnight for it to dry. This stuff picks it up in just a few hours, and then I follow that up with a Super Clean Degreaser, and my floor is as spick and span as it was before my buddy came over and ruined it. So this stuff makes it brand new again. Put some oil absorbent down, wait for it to soak up, sweep that in the trash can, responsibly dispose of it because it does have oil soaked into the absorbent, and then follow that up with a couple quick sprays of Super Clean Degreaser, and your floor will be brand new again. So if you'd like to get your hands on some of the super clean oil absorbent, you're gonna have to go to a retail store. I didn't find any Amazon links for that. So just visit your favorite automotive retail chain outlet, and if they don't have it in stock, just go to the counter manager and ask them for it. You could probably order that online and they'll get it delivered to your closest store or nearest one to you, or they might even deliver it to your house. So check out the super clean oil absorbent. If you'd like to check out some of these super clean degreasing products, I have included some of those links in the Amazon description below. We do earn a small commission from that. Everything that comes from those sales keeps the lights on in the shop, so I do very much appreciate it. If you like this kind of stuff, click that thumbs up button. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn on your bell notifications. That way you get notified just as soon as I get around to posting another video. I appreciate it as always, and until next time, thanks for watching this one.